Hey guys, the Simple Student here, and welcome to episode 10 of Java Programming for Beginners. Today we're going to look at while loops, and this is going to combine a lot of the things we've learned in the first 10 episodes. And after this episode, things are going to start getting a bit more complicated, and we're going to start moving into more real-term programs. Okay? So, as I said, today we're going to learn about while loops. So what is a while loop? Basically, it's a loop that can carry out a statement multiple times until you want it to stop. So to start off with, we're going to make a variable, an integer variable, and we're going to call it count. And we're just going to equal it to 0. Okay. Now the syntax for a while loop is just while bracket carry out whatever inside here. So what we're going to say is while count is less than 5 carry out whatever we want inside here. So we're just going to say system.out.print ln and we're just going to print the value of count just to show you what's going on here. And after this is done, we're going to increment count by 1. So we're going to say count plus plus. Okay, so we're going to run this and see what happens. Okay, great. So I'm just going to make this a bit bigger so we can see. Okay, so what's going on here? So count is equal to 0 at the start. Then the program jumps into this loop and it's saying while count is less than 5, carry out whatever's in here. So the first time it goes into this loop, count is less than 5, it's 0. So it's going to carry this out, it's going to print the value of count. So it's printing it here, 0. Then count has been incremented by 1, and it's going back into this loop, and it's saying while count is less than 5, it's still less than 5, it's 1. It's going to do the same again. It's going to keep doing that until count is 4. And when count is 4, and it prints it out here, system.out.println, and prints out count being 4, then it increments it by 1 and it's 5. Then the program comes back up here while count is less than 5. Well, is 5 less than 5? No, it isn't. So it just jumps out of this loop and the program's finished. So what if we change this to while count is less than or equal to 5? And run it again. We'll see. Yeah. So now it's printing out that extra number, because when count is 5 and it comes up here, while count is less than or equal to 5, yeah, count is still less than or equal to 5, it's 5. So it'll run it once more, it'll print out count being 5, it'll increment 5 by 1, which is 6, and it comes back up here, it'll check, no, 6 is not less than or equal to 5, so again it just exits out. Thanks for watching guys, and as I said, next time we're going to be looking at a bit more complicated things. We're going to be looking at slightly larger programs and just seeing what we can do. Don't forget to subscribe. This has been The Simple Student, and I'll see you later.